Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make insane videos in Google Veo 3 using Json prompting. These are the same kinds of videos that are going viral right now on Twitter and TikTok, and the best part is you can make them yourself in just a minute with a single prompt. Just think about it. Commercial that used to cost brands thousands of dollars to produce with an agency, you can now create at home for free, or at least super cheap. And the secrets everyone is talking about, it's called JSON prompting. So what exactly is that? JSON prompting is just a more structured way to write your prompts. Instead of one long messy sentence, you break it down into a clear parts like the scenes, the styles, the lighting, and the camera angle. That structure makes VEO understand exactly what you want. So the results look way more cinematic and professional. Now how do you do this yourself? It's really simple. First, just go to Twitter or Reddit and search for VEO3 JSON prompts like this. Like this, you will find tons of examples people are sharing. Like this, it has many videos like this. And then just copy one you like. Copy the prompt that you like. And after you're finished, copy the prompt. Then just drop it into ChatGPT like this. And then say on ChatGPT like this. Learn this JSON prompt format to generate video in VO3, and now make me a version for just type your idea in here, and then just paste your prompt that you already copied before, and then just hit enter like this. ChatGPT will then give you a structured prompt ready to use like this. And then just open your Google Flow or Gemini. And then just copy the prompt from your ChatGPT like this. And then just choose your model. Choose your model and then choose your output. And after that, just click on generate. And okay, let's play the video. Like this, your stunning video is ready. The detail is incredible and the results honestly look like they come from a top creative agency. And that's why everyone's going crazy about Google Veo 3 and Jason's prompting. It's not just hype, it saves your time, money, and lets you make video that looks next level. And alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!